Today, I went to the supermarket with my mum. I love the supermarket. It is bright, colourful, and full of interesting things. When we entered, the doors opened automatically. Cool air touched my face. The supermarket was big and clean. First, we took a shopping cart. I pushed it gently. My mum smiled and said, "Good job." We walked to the fruit section. Red apples, yellow bananas, green grapes. So many colors. I touched an apple. It felt smooth and fresh. My mum said, "Choose 6 apples." I counted them carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we went to the vegetables. Carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers. Everything looked fresh. I put carrots into a small bag. Then we walked to the bread section. The smell was warm and soft. Fresh bread always makes me happy. I chose a small loaf for myself. In the snack aisle, I saw chocolate, chips, and cookies. So many choices. I asked my mum politely, "Can I choose one snack?" She said, "Yes, only one." I picked chocolate biscuits. They looked delicious. We continued walking. I saw shelves full of milk, cheese, and yogurt. I helped my mum carry a small bottle of milk. It felt cold in my hands. In the cleaning aisle, I saw soap, shampoo, and detergent. Everything smelled clean. At the end, we went to the cashier. I helped put the items on the counter. The cashier smiled and said, "Hello." I smiled back politely. After paying, we packed our bags. They were a little heavy, but I helped my mum carry one. When we left the supermarket, the sun felt warm outside. My mum said, "You were very helpful today." I felt proud. Today was a good day.